Right, without further ado, let's begin. The first category, and I'm switching the order up a little bit, we will save the best drinker and the #1 provider of malt liquor entertainment for last. The best burp goes to, drum roll please, Farkle's won, ladies and gentlemen. There you go, brother. Farkle's won. The best burp. And burps. Woohoo!
Thank you. Thank you very much. I just want to make an acceptance video for winning my award for the best burps on YouTube. First of all, I want to give a shout out to BM Upper 1 and the Malties Academy. As Jackie Basin said in his video, you know, BM Upper 1 went out of the way, did it, you know, took a lot of time to organize everything, and he did it and followed through, and that was cool, man. It worked out good. I had a great time at the awards, I'll tell you. Seen a lot of famous people there, and a good time. Got pretty shit-faced. It was nice. And you know, I just want to give a shout out and thank you for everybody that voted for me. That was awesome. Because when my name came up, and I was like, damn, man. I was shocked, to say the least. You know, because I had some heavy hitters in my category. You know, shout out to OD'd. Shout out to Tiny Tim. You know, there's some heavy burpers there, man. And I was like, I just want to thank everybody for voting, man. That was great. That was awesome. Thanks to BM Upper 1. Fucking bugs. This is like the 10th take, man. So I was like, should I stop and redo it? Nah, I'll just redo it. I'm talking to myself, don't mind. I figure we celebrate with the official malt beverage of the Malties, Old English 800. So, let's get this drinking started. Somebody's calling me. Thank you, Malties. BM Upper 1. Thank you to everybody. Thank you for voting for me. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm just getting over a cold. I had the flu. Or a cold or a flu or something like that, I don't know. I'm just getting at the end of it. It was kicking my ass for the last over a week. Now I'm starting to feel a little better. Old English brand, 40 ounce, Old English 800. Official drink of the Maltese Awards. BM Upper 1. YouTube. Without YouTube, we wouldn't be here. Got that right. We'd be here, but we wouldn't be making videos. I guess, right? God damn it. Oh, a lot of bitch foam in this one, huh? Like a bitch foam in my gut, dude. I can feel it. Swill, swill, swill. For the Maltese Awards. For winning. Thank you. Still flamming out, boy, from that fucking flu. Flu. I mean, swill, swill, swill. That was a nasty one. I couldn't even put that one on camera for you. Little bitch foam chilling in the bottom of this motherfucker. Once again, I'd like to thank BM Upper 1. Did a great job for the first annual. I'm looking forward to next year's, because next year's will be bigger and better than ever. Because next year there'll be more people. You know, there'll be more people in the drinking community. Be maybe more categories, and there'll be, you know, it's going to be a bigger and better event. So, here's the bitch foam. All right. Thanks again for voting for me. I appreciate it. If you hit a, you hit a foam. Peace.